Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Gosia Cake, Dessert and More. Today I'd like to show you a very nice old Polish recipe for gingerbread cookies. We call Pierniczki. I hope you enjoy. The first part, I make caramel with 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar is melting and change to caramel. The caramel will give gingerbread cookie special flavor. Now I'm adding water. Now I have to mix this. Yeah, the caramel looks like this when you add water. That's normal. The caramel is done. You can see that it's nice gold color. Next part, I'm adding 2 cups of sugar. Yeah, the sugar is dissolved. I have Polish herbs for gingerbread cookies, but you can make yourself. You can use 2 teaspoons of ginger, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of allspice. I have a ready flavor, so I will use it. 1 cup of honey. Now I have to just mix everything. I make this recipe every year, 2 weeks before the Christmas. I pour the ingredients to the bowl. All my ingredients cool down. Now we'll put 6 cups of flour, 2 eggs, vanilla, 1 teaspoon, and baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon. And 4 ounces melt butter, 113 grams. And now I'll mix everything gently in a bowl. My gingerbread dough looks like I have to put more flour. I will try 1/2 cup. First part I mix with the wooden spoon. Now I have to use my own hands. I'll work on a flour board, and it will be the last process before they start making gingerbread cookies. Put the flour on a flour board. Now I can work on a flour board. My dough is not a liquidy, it's pretty nice consistency. Everything. It's very simple dough. It's a very old recipe with honey. Is just perfect gingerbread cookie, and I can keep this cookie for weeks, couple months, and still stay soft and delicious. If you need more flour, just add more flours. The dough looks like it's still pretty soft. The dough is done. I'll have to wait for 30 more minutes to do the next step. I'll start making cookies. Yummy! Now it's time to make cookies. Put on the side. also. Flour. I make it pretty thick, about 1/4 of inch. We start with gingerbread. Today I have helper. Yes, he is making cookies, gingerbread cookie.
These cookies are gonna turn out awesome. Can't wait until they're finished to go and eat them. So right now I'm gonna be cutting them. Gonna wiggle this a little bit so it doesn't stick to the sides and pull it straight out. And that's the gingerbread right there.
And you can actually, you can put the cookies
on this tray right here. And I'm gonna try to put it as close as possible so I don't have to waste any of the gingerbread stuff. But if not, we're gonna be able to roll it back up and use it again.
Nice job, very nice.
We make gingerbread cookies every year and I always love to eat them. So we beat the egg right here as you see, and we mix it up fairly. And now we are gonna apply this to the gingerbread so it looks shiny and more appetizing. So I'm just gonna get a little bit like that and just start gently doing layer by layer. Applying it on.
Very nice. Very nice job.
And that looks done right there. And now we're gonna go for the next one. And we're gonna repeat the process. And after this, whenever these cookies are fully baked, we're gonna add icing to them to make them look awesome and creative.
It will be fun, fun, fun. Like last year we did. It's a Christmas time, it's a family time, it's fun to make the cookies, decorate them, and just enjoy the Christmas time.
And guys, comment down below if you make gingerbread cookies during Christmas.
Nice job, son, very nice. I have very great helper. I will bake gingerbread cookie 350 degrees. The cookie is done. I bake up for about 10 minutes. It's beautiful. I have to wait to cool down and we can decorate them with the icing. From this amount of dough, gingerbread cookie dough, I have 110 cookies. And I will keep in the containers. We finished our decoration and I hope you like it because we have so much fun to decorate the gingerbread cookie Pierniczki. If you like this video, give me thumb up and make sure to subscribe to my channel to be the first to see the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego and Merry Christmas to all. I hope you have fun to making gingerbread cookies. It's Happy Pierniczki Day.